All right, on this installment of Brandt Murphy Garage, let's see what all happened. Our first race with the drag pack was a bust. You'll see why. We got new decals on the car. There's one right there. Our drag pack setup has officially been installed, and the rims and tires came out amazing, and those Mickey Thompsons are just, they grip really, really well. I'm really enjoying it. And then we're also going to introduce a new car today. So yeah, stick around, check out this week's episode. All right, so our first race down at MIR was a bust. We kind of got rained, well, rather winded and misted out. Actually, here, just see the footage from when I got there. Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are at Maryland International Raceway. I actually came out here to do a test and tune tonight, and the wind and the rain decided that wasn't going to happen. So we're kind of putting our tail between our legs and heading home. They called it not too long ago, but I mean, even now, you can see it in my rear view. The rain's starting to clear up, but they already called it for the night. I actually drove out here with my new radials. They handle pretty good. I floored it a couple times at very low speeds, and it didn't break loose. Would have been cool to try to, you know, actually race tonight, but I guess there were other plans for us, and racing was not part of it. So I don't know when the next test and tune is out here, but I will say what we are going to do is tomorrow, I guess I'll just do another video of my my tires being mounted and balanced to my rims. They look pretty sick. They're actually in the back of the Tahoe there. Brother-in-law is in the Tahoe right now, but yeah, kind of sad. Oh well. But we tried coming out here and just ended up not happening. I will say, as we're leaving, we do have a rainbow though, so maybe this night could turn up. So yeah, our first race down at MIR happened to be a bust, but I mean, oh well, what can you do? So I did want to show you the bead locks and the front skinnies. I told you I was going to, so here they are. I got to clean this guy up a little bit. He's still kind of dirty from all the gunk from putting the tire onto the rim. These front skinnies turned out really good. Like, I think they look excellent in my own opinion. I love them. Other things, my decals came in. Brandt Murphy Garage right there. Turned out dope. Then my Brandt Murphy 392 with my little charger on there. Guy who did this, his name is Bobby. He works over at Boosted Decals. That's his business. I'll link him down below, so you can you know, go give him a shout if you want some decals done. He does a lot of different stuff, so go check him out. He's awesome. Really it made the car turn out really, really well. Final thing, I've had a couple other questions on how much this whole setup here costs, right? So these tires were about $650-ish for my Mickey Thompson drag radials. My front skinnies were about $630-ish, somewhere in there. So that's about $1280 right there. My bead locks, both of these shipped, was $1,100. So $1,100 to $1,280 is now $2,380. And then these were about another $600. So for the total package, it's about $3 grand for this whole setup, the way that I had it done. So if you're looking to get, you know, a pretty decent drag setup, that's, I mean, if you go with the Weld setup, you're going to be spending about $4,500. Forge Star, Weld owns Forge Star, so you're basically getting Weld quality rims for about $1,500 less than you would with Weld. So I highly recommend getting this setup. It's really, they're really, really nice. They look fantastic, and yeah, they perform on the car really well. I drove these rims and tires on the back of my car down to MIR, and I punched it in first gear, and the back end of my car just sat down and went. I had no spin. It was freaking awesome. Granted, that was in eco mode, but normally with these Pirellis, when I smash, you know, the gas pedal in first gear, I will spin the back tires. That didn't happen with these. And I didn't try it in sport or track mode. I'm assuming I'd probably have a little bit of a spin, but you know, we'll see. More things to do. So we will be going here soon. Can't wait. I'm excited. So this is a new car that's going to be coming to the channel. We're going to do a deep dive into it soon. This is my friend Olivia's car. Say hello. This is a 2019? 2018 Chevy Camaro 50th anniversary edition Hot Wheels car. Before you ask, no, it's not a V8. It is a V6. She decided to be that person. But no, we are going to get into this car here a little later. I really love, you said this is Orange Crush is the color? Yep. Yeah, look at that. The calipers are painted orange too. Dig that. Are we going to do modifications to it?
Maybe.
Yeah, we are. Doesn't sound too bad for a V6. Now, what I can say is when I worked at Chevy, I did drive these V6s a little bit. And they actually do move pretty good for a V6. But yeah, I think we're going to do a full in-depth review of it here sometime soon. So we'll go over the outside, the inside. We'll check the engine bay. We'll do a driving analysis and all of that. It's automatic too, right?
Yeah.
I thought it was, yeah. All right, cool. But yeah, so give you one little last thing before we end the video off here. We do have a new vehicle that's coming to the channel. This is a little sneak peek. We'll do an actual deep dive of it here in a future video. All right, we're going to be getting off here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Stick around, check out what's coming to the channel. You know, leave a comment. You know, let me you know what you think of this setup. Let me know what you think of the Camaro. You're excited to see some stuff that we're going to be doing to that car. And then also give me a thumbs up if you like this video, man. All right, enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great week. I will be back with more content here soon. The Camaro's coming up, more stuff with the Chargers coming up, and then I thought I had something else going on. I don't know. If I have anything else going on, I'll throw it in here. But yeah, all right, we'll see y'all later. Bye.